So hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So here in this video we are going to discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for this next upcoming week, which is on from 8th August to 12th August. So not wasting our time, let's get into the video. So first of all, let's see the Nifty. So this is a Nifty 50 chart, you can see. So explaining the Nifty 50 chart, we can clearly see that Nifty 50 is right now in a state of resistance level over 17,470. But we can also see, the Nifty 50, if it gets a confirmation over the resistance level of 17,470, we can see a quite good trend up to continuing to 18,000, which is the all-time high over here. So but if Nifty gets a red trigger and it keeps falling on like this, therefore we can see a downtrend up to nearly over here, which is at 16,700. So this is a Nifty 50. What gonna do in this week? It may be either a good uptrend or it may be a downtrend. Also, yeah, if it yes, that's what it happens. So you can buy, you can sell over these levels if it gives a confirmation on Monday, or you can buy over these levels if it's give a double confirmation at Monday, or you can just you can also hedge this, which is at a good point. So you can sell this and you can buy over here. So you are hedging over here, which makes you a huge profit in this market right now. So this is a good time to take this and go for a right time to enter in it. So this is what Nifty 50 gonna do, either a uptrend or a downtrend, no sideways trend. uh, that's what happens. So going to Bank Nifty, we all know that yeah, wait a sec. Going to Bank Nifty, we can see it was a quite an uptrend. So I'm also going with a long on this. So buying over here, I'm giving you a target of, like, wait a sec. I'm currently hold this. When you get a double confirmation over in Bank Nifty in Monday, you can buy it. You can keep a slow stop loss over this level. So the target is over here, this level. So this is, and I'm going to explain you also the profit also. So uptrend, it is 829 plus point, which is 2.19%. Downtrend, you can see minus 0.89%, which is clearly we can see that it is a uh, 1:3 risk reward ratio. So I'm going long on Bank Nifty, but I only have a doubt on Nifty 50. So either a uptrend or downtrend. So this is a market analysis for this week. So go on it and trade it and enter in a good time and exit it when you are profitable. So thank you for watching this, guys. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from this YouTube channel of Investors and Traders Club.